we want to start off by tying a ponytail to the hair. Take a multiple prong decorative pin and then push it downwards as such. Add a rubber band at the end of the hair as such. Now spread it out a little bit, roll it over and then pin it up in place using a 2-prong pin. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair, add a rubber band in the middle, make a division in the middle and roll the hair in on itself. Lift it up, make a bow out of it, add a rubber band at the base. Add another rubber band at the bottom, roll the hair in on itself. Now lift it up and twist it as such, add a rubber band at the base and now use a clip to make it fasten in this place. Tie a ponytail out of the hair. Now take this decorative hair stick, insert it through the back as such. Now twist both the sections of the hair around this hair stick and now twist it one on top of the other as well. Continue to do so as such. Tie a rubber band at the bottom once you're done with this. Lift it up and then fasten it in place using a bobby pin. Now for the next hairdo, we'll start off by taking 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and roll the hair in on itself. Tie a low ponytail out of the hair, add a rubber band to the middle of this low ponytail, roll the hair in on itself through the section, lift it up and add another rubber band to it. After you lift it up, use a multiple prong decorative pin in order to fasten it in its place. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair, divide it into 2 parts and then twist both the sections. Lift it upwards as such and then roll it up into a bun. And after you have done so, insert a rubber band and then this will help it stay in place. Now adjust the portions of the back and then use a decorative clip in order to fasten it in its place. Next, start off by tying a ponytail to the hair and now on the last round over, make a small bun out of it. Tie a rubber band at the end of this as well, roll the hair in on itself and then wrap it around the bun you've created. Loosen sections of the hair in order to create more volume to it. Now loosen sections of the hair from the scalp as well in order to make it look better. Add a clip at the back as such. Next, we'll start off by taking this decorative hair clip. Now untwist it just to see how it works. Gather all of the hair together, divide it into 3 parts and then begin to make a braid out of the hair. Tie a rubber band at the bottom, loosen the sides using your fingers. Now once you're done with this, roll this upwards and then add your decorative clip on top of it. Next, take a bun stick and afterwards tie a ponytail to the hair. Now separate it, take it from the bottom to the top, roll it upwards as such. After you've rolled it, wrap it around the hair and then adjust the hair around this bun clip. As you have adjusted it, you may add a decorative rubber band should you please to. Take the top section of the hair, tie a rubber band to it at the back. Now take this decorative clip and then add it to the top of it all. Comb it in place and now finally this is what it should look like. Next, take a section of the hair from the top, tie it up at the back. Take 2 more sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Now take the first section and pull it through the second section and twist it in order to set it right. Now loosen sections of the hair from the scalp in order to add more volume to this hairdo. Take your decorative hair clip and then insert it at the back, twist it to fasten it in a space. Next, take this retractable clip and now start off by tying a ponytail. Twist this ponytail and then after you've twisted it, wrap it up into a bun as such. Once you've wrapped it up into a bun, add this retractable clip to the top of it all. Next, start off by gathering all of the hair together, wrap this around the finger, make a bun out of it and now fasten it in place using this large clip. Next, we will start off by taking the top section of the hair and now tie a rubber band to it at the back. Once you have done so, then you may take a clip and then fasten it at the back. As you can see, this clip also has extensions to it. Now once you're done, this is what it should look like. Adjust it as need be. Thank you for watching.